The Hyundai Tucson's oil life monitoring system uses an algorithm to track oil degradation based on driving habits, engine temperature, and mileage. It alerts you with a percentage or maintenance light when an oil change is needed. Resetting this system after each oil change is crucial. Failing to reset can lead to inaccurate alerts, either prompting unnecessary services or, more dangerously, causing you to ignore genuine maintenance needs, potentially damaging the engine and voiding warranties. Newer models, 29 Plus, offer streamlined resets via the infotainment screen or Hyundai's BlueLink app. Older models rely on trip computer buttons. The reset procedure varies by model year. For 2022-2025 Tucsons with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, go to Settings, Vehicle, Maintenance, then Reset Oil Life. For older models from 2010 to 2021, use the trip computer buttons on the steering wheel. First, ensure your Tucson is in park with the engine off, or key on and engine off for some models. Use the trip button to navigate to the service interval or maintenance menu. Press and hold the OK or Reset button until the oil life resets to 100%. If using the BlueLink app, you can sometimes reset remotely after a service. Always consult your owner's manual for the specific procedure for your model year. Remember, never reset the system without actually changing the oil, as doing so can lead to engine damage.